Another SVR.
The National Weather Service in Denver, Colorado has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Weld County in northeastern Colorado, northeastern Morgan County in northeastern Colorado, southwestern Logan County in northeastern Colorado until 5:45 p.m. At 5:07 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Antelope Springs, or 16 miles north of Fort Morgan, moving northeast at 5 miles an hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Locations impacted include Stoneham. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8:00 p.m. for northeastern Colorado. For protection moved to a distance on the lowest floor of a building.
Pretty much.
Until 8:00 p.m. for
Decirle
northeastern
cosas
Colorado.
muy padres.
Flood watch now in effect.
You can't.